Hello, welcome back to a video by Sybilattack, and today we are looking at something pretty anticipated and a little bit complex if you're scared of using developer mode or going deep into your extensions. I recommend using a new browser, a new account for this. So you're going to make your way to the links in the bottom, and we're going to download the Fuel wallet. It's like MetaMask, but you gotta add it by yourself. Fuel is an anticipated blockchain that's coming, modular chain, pretty fast. When I was using it, I was very impressed. So you're going to download it and then go to turn on developer mode, drop it in there, create your wallet. You guys should know how to do this. Setting up a wallet is pretty darn easy. Hiding my seeds over there, putting in the password. And all we're going to do is we're going to create it, make a swap, and use the chain a little bit. So modular chain like Celestia, that's also coming. Fuel. And putting in the password. Not too easy, not too long. Cool, and my account is created. I'm going to pin it. And so we're going to make our way to the wallet address over here, to the faucet address over here. Copy my password, my address, and then give me Ether, which is really strange. Come on, don't you have your native token? It's like the first thing that you want people to get is Ether. You do you, man. Okay, anyway. So I got my 5 ETH there. And there we go. Okay, now that it's there, now let's do a couple of transactions. Launch the app, created the wallet, get a little bit of ETH, test ETH, and wallet created. Okay, now we're gonna swap. And swap and then add liquidity. So I'm gonna swap some ETH for, so I've got 0.5. I'm gonna swap for DAI. It's the only thing we can swap for. And swap. Cool. Got it. Okay. And swap successful, very, very fast. Like I said, modular chain. Nice thing about modular chains is they break a monolithic chain. What they do, they break it up into a couple of parts, and every part specializes in its own kind of thing. And so it was successful. Now I'm going to add the liquidity. Max DAI. Add it. So all the links are in the bottom. And then this is the last thing that we're going to do. We're going to connect our wallet over here. And we're going to sign a message. So we're connected. We got our account. And our message will be something like, hello world. How about that? There we go. And this is sybilattack. Yikes. Attack crypto. And like I said, anticipated chain, come and use it. Put in my password. Quick and simple, down and dirty, easy to use. I like playing with new chains, and it's kind of fun to do. And I wasn't sure, there wasn't like a splash screen that it was successful or anything, so I did it twice and I didn't really need to do it, and now I'm going to transfer. And confirm. So it's locked, and then you can unlock it first. And that's it. There we go. It is officially on the chain. Just waiting for the chain to load over here. There we go. All right, there's my transaction that I signed. And that's it. Pretty easy to use. So the steps are: go to their GitHub, turn on developer mode in Google Chrome, drop it in there, create a new wallet, swap, sign a message, but then go to the faucet first. Faucet, then swap, then sign a message. All right, guys and girls, all the best. Peace.